There is a group of people who are never satisfied with the conventional way of doing things. It's for these people that we've created Invision Plus. Invision Plus is the new software system for the Commodore Amiga that brings you superior video effects, animation, and still capture capabilities. Here's how it works. A video signal, either from a VCR or a video camera, is fed into the Amiga computer through the live video digitizer from A². The hardware translates the moving video signal directly into real-time computer graphics. A genlock, such as the Magni shown here, serves a dual purpose. It allows you to record your computer graphics onto videotape and to fade or key your effects over another video source. Invision Plus comes complete with a wide array of preset effects, or with a simple edit screen, you can easily design your own. In the design mode, the edit screen lets you select posterization colors and other effects. When you're finished designing, you can assign your effect to a specific key. Over 50 effects can be assigned, and the entire setup can be saved to disk for later use. You can then assign new effects to each key and save the new setup to disk with no limit to the number of effects you can create. When you enter the production mode, the keyboard and mouse give you dynamic, fully interactive control over any of your effects. Invision Plus allows you to expand your video production capabilities to include multiple video sources, digital transitions, and special visual effects, including tiling, tumble, blinds, zoom, stretch, insets, montage. In addition to the wide range of effects, Invision Plus is a powerful animation tool. Simply assign the capture effect to any key, and when it is pressed in the production mode, it captures moving video and stores it directly in the Amiga's memory. There are even controls for automated time-lapse animation. And Invision Plus lets you save the animation to disk for painting, touch-up and montage using a number of popular graphics and animation programs. Another feature of Invision Plus uses digital color separation and averaging technology to provide superior quality stills. Invision Plus is quite simply the most complete package of video effects, animation, and still capture capabilities available for the Commodore Amiga. Broadcast productions, corporate communications, or music videos, Invision Plus turns the conventional into the extraordinary. Invision Plus from Elan Design. Also from Elan Design, Elan Perfomer, the powerful graphics presentation package.